Binary search. This is the best method of searching if the array is in sorted order. That is, in binary search method, array should be in sorted order or in ascending order. In binary search, the element to be searched is comparing with the middle element. And if the element is less than the middle element, we are avoiding the right hand part. And if the element is greater than the middle element, we are avoiding the left half of the array. Then binary search algorithm. Let A be the sorted array with the LB as lower bound and UB as upper bound. Let BEG, END and mid denotes beginning, end and middle position. ELE is the element to be searched. Beginning is equal to lower bound, end is equal to upper bound, location is equal to -1. Then while beginning less than or equal to end, this is a while loop, this is a repeating loop. While when beginning less than or equal to, if beginning less than or equal to end, it will execute the loop. And if beginning it is not, or if beginning greater than end, it will exit from the loop. That is, first itself we need to check beginning is less than or equal to end. After that, we need to find out the middle position. Middle is equal to integer part of beginning plus end divided by 2. Then first here we have found out the middle position. After finding out the middle position, we are comparing this element with the middle element. A of mid means middle element. If ELE means element to be searched. If ELE is equal to A of mid, means if the element is equal to the middle element, location will be mid. After that, go to step 4. Then next condition is checking. If it is not equal, next we are checking ELE is less than A of mid. If ELE is less than A of mid, end is changing to mid -1. ELE less than A of mid or ELE less than the middle element, end is equal to mid -1. Else means ELE is greater than A of mid. If ELE greater than A of mid, beginning is changing to mid +1. After that, this is the end of while loop. Next, after completing this loop, we are checking the location. Then first itself we have initialized the location to -1. Then if the element is not there in the array, location value will be the -1 itself. So we can print, that is, if location less than 0, print search unsuccessful. That is, the element is not there in the list. Then otherwise we can print the location. This is the binary search algorithm. We can explain this algorithm with one example. So here consider one array A with elements 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. That is, there are 9 elements there in this array. 9 elements are there is in, these are the elements, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are the subscript of the elements. Here what is the lower bound? 0. And what is the upper bound? 8. Lower bound is 0 and upper bound is 8. Next, first itself we need to, according to that algorithm, first itself we need to initialize location is equal to -1. Beginning is equal to lower bound. Here lower bound is equal to 0. So beginning is equal to 0. End is equal to upper bound, that is 8. This is the initial values. After that we need to start the while loop. That is, beginning, while beginning less than or equal to end. Here beginning is equal to 0 and end is equal to 8. That is, while 0 less than or equal to 8. That is true. So after that we need to find out the mid position. Here mid is equal to integer value of beginning plus end divided by 2. That is integer part of 0 plus 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is 4. That is middle is equal to 4. We got mid is equal to 4. See here, this is the middle position. And which is the middle element? Middle element is 40. Then here, what is the, we are searching ELE is equal to 35. That is, we are checking this 35. What is the location of this 35? In this algorithm, we are going to search find out what is the location of this 35. For that, first we find out the value of this mid. We got mid is equal to 4 and middle element is equal to 40. After that, we need to check 3 conditions. One condition means first we need to check that element is equal to A of mid. And next element is less than A of mid or greater than A of mid. See, first less than equal to A of, see here, 35 is equal to 40. That is false. 35 is not equal to 40. So next condition we are checking that 35 is less than 40. If 35 is less than 40. Here this 35 is less than 40. That is true. So in this condition, which value we need to change? End we need to change. In this condition, we are changing end to mid minus 1. In the initial case, beginning was 0 and end was 8. In this case, that element to be searched, that is 35 is less than 40. So we need to avoid the right part. We need to avoid this right side. So for that, we are changing end to mid minus 1. See here, then beginning value is not changing. Beginning is equal to 0 itself. End is changing to mid minus 1. That is 4 minus 1. That is equal to 3. End is equal to 3. In the next iteration, see, while 0 less than or equal to 3, that is beginning less than or equal to end. We got the end value 3. So beginning 0 less than or equal to 3. That is true. So again we are finding out the middle position. Mid is equal to beginning plus end divided by 2. That is 0 plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 is 1.5. Integer part of 1.5 is equal to 1. So mid is equal to 1. Next again we are checking the 3 conditions. 35 is equal to, see, 1 means this one. So middle element is 20. Then 35 is checking with this 20. 35 is equal to 20. That is false. Next 35 less than 20. That is also false. Next to that else condition. Else condition means 35 greater than 20. That is true. In that case, which one need to change? See here, this 35 is greater than this 20. So we need to avoid this part. So for that, we need to change the beginning position to this 0. We are changing to this 2. That is beginning is equal to mid plus 1. Beginning is equal to mid plus 1. That is equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Then we are getting beginning is equal to 2 and end is equal to 3. Next iteration, beginning is equal to 2, end is equal to 3. Next, while loop, while 2 less than or while beginning less than or equal to 3. This is true. That is 2 less than or equal to 3. Again, mid we are finding out. Mid is equal to 2 plus 3 divided by 2. That is 5 by 2. That is integer part of 2.5 is equal to 2. Mid is equal to 2. Then 2 means this is the mid one. Then 35 is which is the middle element? 30. Then 35 is comparing with 30. 35 is equal to 30, that is false. 35 less than 30, that is also false. 35 greater than 30, that is the else part, that is true. So again we need to change beginning is equal to mid plus 1. Mid, what was the mid value? 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now we got beginning is equal to 3 and end is equal to 3. Beginning is equal to 3 and end is equal to 3. Then again that while loop is executing because 3 is less than or equal to 3. Again finding out the mid position, mid is equal to integer part of beginning plus end divided by 2, that is equal to integer part of 3 plus 3 divided by 2, that is 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Mid we got 3. Then here now we got the middle position. Mid is equal to 3 and mid value is equal to middle element is equal to 35. What is the which element you are going to search? ELE is equal to 35. So ELE is equal to A of mid, that is 35 is equal to 35, that is true. So we got the location. Location is equal to 3. Like that we can find out the binary search algorithm. The advantage of binary search algorithm means we can reduce the number of comparison. Suppose 10,000 element is there in an array. If you are using a linear search, we need to compare each and every element. The searching element is we need to compare with each and every element in the array. That is, we need to compare with the 10,000 element. But if the array is in sorted order, if 10,000 means first itself we need to find out the middle position. That is 50,000 we can, first iteration itself we can avoid that 50,000 element. Next, that again we can find out the middle position, we can avoid the 25,000. Like that we can reduce the array. We can reduce the number of comparisons. That is, in binary search, number of comparisons is very less. See here, that is, in binary search, first itself we need to find out the middle position, then element to be searched, that is ELE. If the ELE is less than the middle element, end is changing to mid minus 1, and if ELE is greater than the middle element, we need to change beginning to mid plus 1. Like that we can find out the location of the element. See, one more time we can discuss, go through this binary search algorithm. First we are initializing beginning is equal to LB, end is equal to UB and location is equal to minus 1. While beginning less than or equal to end, mid is equal to integer of mid plus end, beginning plus end divided by 2. First condition checking, ELE is equal to A of mid. If ELE is equal to A of mid, location is equal to mid. Else if ELE less than A of mid means we need to change end. End will be mid minus 1. Else case means ELE greater than A of mid. In that case, beginning is changing to mid plus 1. Then after completing the whole while loop, we are checking the location. If the location less than 0, that is, if the element is not there in the array, the location will be minus 1 itself. In that case, we can print search is unsuccessful. Other case, we can print the location.